Well, it turns out that after some time of use, a few months, those transparent cases, they actually, or clear, they become a bit smoky, faded, you know, they look ugly, especially this one, you know, and this one is not much better, especially if you look at an angle, it's kind of smoky. So what's the solution? Where there are some companies that sell those more premium cases or whatever you call them, and they promise that they will last for a long time without fading, but they're costly. So I'm going to suggest something that maybe you didn't expect me to do, but I'm going to say it. Be brave and just get yourself something very different. For example, I got myself 3 different cases like these, very different ones, and each of them actually I like is very different. So for example, this one has got this nice matte, it fits the phone nicely, it's got those spaces on the side, and it's kind of cool. I really like it. It doesn't protect the phone perfectly, but it's really cool. Now the second best, if protection is concerned, is this one. It's got very nice gradient, I think. My really lovely colors. I like it. It looks really good in person, and in the camera I think it looks the same. So it does better protection. It's got those harder corners. So it's very nice. The only drawback is that if there is some light coming at an angle in the cameras, it does affect the picture, and the picture might be a bit hazy, then usually hazy. So that's not good. And the solution is to cut this out completely. I don't want to do it. And another case that actually offers the best protection is this one. I wasn't sure about it, but anyway, I bought it, and then I realized actually I like it. You know, in some scenarios, it's really cool and nice, and it's got really good protection on the corners. In all of those cases, buttons work really well. And here, this is completely black, so I don't get that haze anymore. There may be some tiny bit if, I don't know, light bends on the edge somehow, but generally, this is really good. So really experiment. You'll find the links to those things that I have bought in the description somewhere below. So thanks for watching, and watch my other movies about some cool stuff. Cheers.